everyone, I am Nandita from grade 11 and I would like to share my views on how to make online learning more impactful. The global coronavirus pandemic and the resulting lockdown has brought about a complete and rather sudden change in the teaching learning scenario. With schools and colleges shut, online is the new buzzword. Almost overnight, students and teachers have been forced to shift their focus to online studies. For most teachers and students used to the conventional classroom dynamics, it is a new and challenging experience which requires them to move out of their comfort zones. The question foremost on everyone's mind is, will online teaching learning be able to deliver results? It is indeed a huge transition, but one cannot deny the fact that education has changed forever. Online is here to stay. Online learning can be made impactful and effective if a few points are kept in mind. For both the teacher and the student, planning and preparation is key to making an online classroom more engaging, interactive and effective. Different students have different learning styles. Therefore, a proper mixture of tools such as audio, video, presentations, 3D displays and texts will ensure that the students remain attentive and focused. Students must be encouraged to connect with each other and share their knowledge and views on a given topic. This ensures active participation and the teacher can also gauge how much the child has grasped. Discussion boards, chat rooms, and presentations can also be used to create great learning platforms. Quizzes and quick informal tests are fun. They relieve boredom and monotony. Small group tasks will also encourage students to become accountable and responsible. For the student, having an uncluttered and dedicated study space and keeping one's material organized is extremely important. Logging in on time, being ready with necessary course material, and following decorum and etiquette. All this will ensure that the teacher finds it easy to impart knowledge. Thus, the class becomes effective and productive. It is easy to get distracted and lethargic in an informal home environment. So, students must guard against this by adhering to proper routine and discipline. A proper schedule with slots for homework, assignments, and reading will ensure that time is used wisely and well. Setting clear study goals. It could be completing a task, reading upon material, or watching a presentation is the key to success. Students must actively take notes during online classes as it will boost comprehension and retention. They must not shy away from seeking clarifications when they have doubts. Taking adequate breaks is very important to ensure that both teachers and students refresh themselves. Last but not least, relationship building. The personal touch is vital in any classroom, and the online platform lacks this aspect. To overcome this, teachers and students must work towards establishing a good rapport. This will make the online classroom vibrant and engaging. After the day's class, students must pursue a hobby or leisure activity that does not involve gadget use. Simple exercise and activities will ensure physical fitness, mental alertness, and freshness. I firmly believe that the above steps will go a long way in making online learning pleasurable and impactful. Thank you.